Good morning, boys. Today we're on a mission to go climb Coaster, which is in Canmore. She's a little bit nippy, the wind is a bit fucking cold today. It's a beautiful day for the most part, although as the clouds roll in. It's a nice drive in. Alright boys, we are making our way up from the valley floor, heading up towards the base of the route. Some final elevation. Boys, what the fuck does that look like?
Looks like ice to me!
Made it to the bottom of the route, 2 hours, just like the approach said it would be. We got a bit sweaty, but we're gonna gear up, get climbing.
Let's do it.
Pitch 0. Going down. Oh yeah. This is the start of pitch 1. We just came up our little WI2 step down there, pitch 0. Here we go. It's game on. There we go, pitch 1. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna lie, boys. I hit chest yesterday. A little bit just a little bit stiff, you know. Oh my god. Holy shit. Alright, give me a sec. I'm just gonna warm up my hands. Psych. All right, boys, we are making our way, that's for sure. Woo! Just kidding.
Guess what, man?
What's up?
I found booty.
Huh? What's Booney?
I found booty.
You found a screw?
Yeah, check it out.
Oh, someone whipped on it?
No, it was just sitting in the ice.
Dang.
Old school Gravel Helix ice screw.
Alright boys, so that was supposedly pitch 1 done. We're gonna kind of body belay each other up through this. Just the easiest way that we can manage the rope while moving without having to take the rope off. And then coil it up and then uncoil it. You can start going, I'll pull the rope. Oh wait. Well boys, we don't know. I don't know if Ethan accidentally linked pitch 1 and 2, and this is the last pitch. But I'm bringing Ethan up now. And I guess I'll lead this little WI2 shenanigans. WI3 maybe. So this could be pitch 3, but got some delicate little section here. So boys, as it turns out, we definitely combined pitch 1 and 2, which is kind of funny. All right, Ethan, on belay. Well, feels a bit anticlimactic. Feels like this route should have been like pitch 1 times 3, but maybe it gives us a bit of a, okay, we're entering a nice zone of different routes we can start to hit. Ethan's about to peace out on rappel.
Peace out.
Alright boys, I won't necessarily be able to film this rappel because I'm going to be hands on and my GoPro's dead. Coming down here, wrap 1. Yup. Second last rappel. our rope got mega stuck on the other one, but. Well, we made it off our last rappels. The wind is kicking up right now. It's fucking cold. Getting it done all the way up the creek.